Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to enable TikTok suggestions from people you may know. If you want to discover content from individuals in your social circle, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on the profile icon located in the bottom drawer. This will take you to your TikTok profile. Step 3. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on those lines to access the TikTok menu. Step 4. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Step 5. Within the Settings and Privacy section, tap on Notifications. Step 6. Look for the option labeled Videos from Accounts You May Know under the Video Suggestions category. Step 7. Enable the toggle switch next to Videos from Accounts You May Know to start receiving personalized suggestions from individuals you may know. By following these steps, you can expand your TikTok experience by discovering content from people who are part of your social circle. This feature allows you to stay connected with friends, acquaintances, and influencers you may be interested in following. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the TikTok suggestions from people you may know.